Meanwhile, yesterday's masterful demonstration by Senator Joel Villanueva on how to manipulate phone metadata may have well disproved his alleged text messages to then District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Meanwhile, a WSJ officer who entered the Senate on August 19 turned out to be a guest of Senator Erwin Tulfo seeking help for repairs to his home, clearing Senator Jinggoy Estrada of alleged links to the contracting company. Yet they're still on the hook as Senate Blue Ribbon Chair Ping Lacson insists, as we hear from Daniel Manalastas.
Controversial ex-DPWH engineer Bryce Hernandez will be allowed by the Senate to leave for detention from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and will start tomorrow. This is for him to gather pieces of evidence in light of him tagging Senators Jinggoy Estrada and Joel Villanueva to the flood control mess. But Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson Panfilo Lacson clarified that Hernandez will remain cited in contempt.
Inaprubahan ni Senate President Soto yung aking request na siya'y samahan palabas ng escort ng OSAA. Parang ano lang yan, parang pass lang na pinayagan yung kanyang request at inapprove naman ni Senate President Soto.
It can be recalled that there were kickback and insertions allegations against Estrada and Villanueva. But Lacson said Hernandez has to prove his claims first.
So, ang kulang na elemento ron para mag-hold water, kailangan magpakita si Bryce Hernandez ng maski anong proof, ledger man ito, o resibo man ito, o maski anong katibayan o proof na yung sinasabi niyang 30% na commission ni na Senator Jinggoy at Senator Joel, okay pa, talaga meron. Kasi without any backup na proof, mananatiling aligasyon yon.
Estrada has yet to comment on Lacson's statement, but he is hopeful that the Independent Commission for Infrastructure will be fair in the conduct of its probe on the said issue. Meanwhile, he described Hernandez as an unreliable witness. Villanueva, meanwhile, denied allegations on unprogrammed funds. He also addressed the allegation that he received kickbacks.
Kickback daw po na tumataginting na 30%. Ni kontraktor o proyekto, wala din pong maipakita. Ano to? Para bang basta na lang po ako gagawin na punching bag? Klaro po sa akin, sindikato, may interes sa 2028, may gustong sumikat, at ako raw po ang gustong ialay bilang sacrificial lamb.
Villanueva is ready to prove his innocence even in court. Meanwhile, he has his tirade against Representative Zaldico.
Huwag po nating kalimutan, nag-umpisa po itong lahat ng ito noong yung name that cannot be mentioned, eminensyon ni Joel Villanueva, si Zaldico, na naglagay ng napakaraming congressional insertion, lalo na sa ating lalawigan sa Bulacan, noong 2023. Dahil po sa pagkakadawit ni Zaldico, nag-umpisa na ang pagkasira at pagbato ng putik sa ating pangalan.
Ko has yet to comment on Villanueva's statement. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.